Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Zendrop integration with Shopify for US customers, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up Zendrop integration with Shopify for US customers, begin by ensuring you have an active Shopify account. Visit the Zendrop website and create an account if you haven't already. Log in to your Zendrop account. Once logged in, navigate to the integration section within the Zendrop dashboard. Look for the Shopify option and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your Shopify store information. Input your Shopify store URL carefully, without the https:// prefix. After entering your store URL, click on the Connect button. A new window will open, taking you to Shopify for authentication. Log into your Shopify account if prompted. Review the app permissions that Zendrop requests and approve them. Once approved, you will be redirected back to Zendrop. Your Shopify store should now be successfully connected to Zendrop. To import products from Zendrop, go to the Marketplace tab on the Zendrop dashboard. Browse through the products available and select the ones you wish to add to your store. Click on the Add to Store button for each product you want to promote. Set your desired pricing and shipping options for each product individually. Review your products to ensure all settings are correct. After finalizing your product settings, you can easily push them live to your Shopify store. To manage orders, navigate to the Orders section in the Zendrop dashboard. Here, you can see all orders placed through your Shopify store. Ensure that you fulfill orders promptly to maintain customer satisfaction. To ensure smooth shipping, check that the shipping options are set to US delivery. You can customize shipping settings under the Shipping tab in Zendrop. Monitor any shipping updates and manage customer inquiries from your Shopify dashboard. Regularly check for updates in Zendrop for new product offerings. That concludes the setup process for integrating Zendrop with your Shopify store for US customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.